Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice emoji. As you can see that we have already drawn a bigger circle. The instrument which I use here usually looks like this. So this is used to draw the bigger circle, as you can see. You can use also other instruments to draw the circle. Now let's start from the top to make the graphical presentations. As you know, this guy is very angry, so we're going to put different types of graphical presentations here. You can see that both eyes, those are little elliptical shapes, and inside that let's draw a circle and the eyeball here and the eyeball here. For the right eye we are going to draw the circles and the elliptical shape here, you can see. All right, some places we need to provide the thicker or more emphasis on the drawing, the darker color. The lips and the eyebrows, those are going to be thicker once again. All right, let's put the blue color around the eyeball here. All right, another blue here we can draw. And put the dark color to the eyeball. Other colors you can see we are going to fill up with a uniform monochromatic bright green color. So filling up from the left side is just going on. Stay with the channel, see all the procedures and the instructions as we are providing right now. Okay, so left side is progressing. I'm just moving to the right side as I'm drawing. This is in progress. Stay with the channel, follow the steps and the instructions and the suggestions we're providing during the drawing. All right, so once the coloring is done, you can see the whole drawing and the expression. This is nicely visible, but as you know, the guy is very angry, so we need to provide few shades of reds in the middle to show the expressions. Usually the red colors, those are used to show the hot expressions. So if somebody is very angry, he is becoming hot. All right, so the red color is coming in the middle. Okay, this is just going to the other surfaces outside from the middle. You can see. All right, I hope you like the graphical presentations just presented here. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. You can also browse through the playlist and select your own choices from different categories. Lots of options over there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.